episode. This is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2011 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLE trim and powered by a 5.3-liter Vortec V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. And coming with heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires. You've got a nice accessory there. Recently detailed, so it's looking nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. So first looking in the back, we have pretty spacious seating for three that can be flipped up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, and I believe two more right down here. You also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And this truck does also have a remote start installed, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. So now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 134,449 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, you have your cruise controls, and to the left of the steering wheel, you have your lighting controls and your trailer brake controller down there. Can also cycle through your, I believe, your trip mileage here. Transmission temperature, trailer gain, compass, oil life, and you can look at all that separate information there, so that's always nice. Moving on to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and auxiliary, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You can also cycle through that just to show that it does have XM, and of course CD and auxiliary there. Moving down from that though, you have your climate controls, very simple, just on 3 dials. Below that you have two 12-volt power outlets, so you can plug something into power or charge. Have a little cubby, and then your traction control shut off. To the right of that you have a larger cubby, and to the left of that you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto. Do also have an ashtray here if that interests you. But then moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders, and then your compartment, which is pretty spacious for all of your stuff, and of course a nice padded armrest too. But then this does fold up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck too. But then underneath that you actually have another lockable compartment for even more storage. Just has the seatbelt in there right now, but then it does also have another 12-volt in there, so you can plug something in from there as well. And then last but not least, you do also have another compartment here above the glove box for more storage. Before I forget, you have your column shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of that. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.